Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, me and Matthias are going to be building this set right here. There we go. It's a Lego Classic set that we just got today.
Today I'm going to open this.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
There's a finger thing.
Yes, we did it. Finger thing has been done. There we go. And open it up. Ready? You want to dump it?
Yeah.
You got to dump it out. Ready? Yay! Okay, so let's take a look at the pieces we have. We have some instructions. This is a Lego Classic set. I think I already said that, but this is set 11007. So just getting that in frame right there. That's the set number.
The box destroyed.
Oh wow, guys, the box destroyed.
And okay, the ball hit it.
But for people who like boxes, we can. It still looks pretty good if you put it together like that. So there we go. We have 2 bags with this set. Neither of them are numbered. It comes with 60 pieces, which is a pretty good bit of pieces, honestly.
It won't let me open it.
See, look, you open it this way. See, look, they have this little thing right here. And you just dump it out. I don't know why I'm doing this. But
like this?
what is it?
Like this?
We have to follow the instructions. Which one do you want to build? I think there's a couple builds in here, guys, so.
The dog. I told
Is there a dog? Let's see.
Yeah, there's a dog. Right there.
Okay, yeah, there's a dog.
Okay, so let's build the dog.
Okay, hold on. Let me find the build for the
You
dog.
might want to build the tree, because the tree has an apple, and we've never had an apple.
He wants to build the dog, though. This is his set. We all got a couple of things. Well, one thing a piece, I think.
Yeah.
I got a poly bag, and I'm going to be building that.
Listen to the channel.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So, do you know how to follow instructions?
Yeah. Okay, so I need that piece.
Well, we need this piece right here. And then you attach this piece right here. So, you want to attach that there?
It won't let me. Those electrical me.
Oh, really? Wow. Let's see if he can do it. Oh, Matthias, you put it a little bit in the wrong place. You've got to put it centered, well, kind of centered in between these 4 bricks right there. There you go.
Next piece.
And wait, what does it say to do next? Let's see.
Oh, you need those in the next pack.
Oh, whoops, we forgot to open the other one. This is like the green one. I think they do different colors, which is actually pretty cool.
That's 60 pieces, guys.
Let's see, does it say green on it or something? No, it doesn't.
Oh, there we go.
I really wish this was a different picture.
And then you put, he's actually doing pretty good. Oh wow, he's actually being able to find the pieces and everything. Good job. Okay, let's make. I don't think you snap those down the best, so there we go. Just snap them down just a little bit better. There you go. And do you know which piece is next? See, look, it shows the piece up there at the top. So if you ever need to know what piece there is, because I'm sure you're going to be building a lot of Lego sets.
That piece.
No, on this one right here. That one's step 6. You got it on step 4. Yes. So let's see. Can you get the piece?
Where is it?
Try it.
That one right there.
Oh, it's right
Oh no,
there.
it's the darker green one. Whoops.
Where
I think he knows
does it
how to build
go?
Lego better than me. And yep, you just snap that one down. And now we need to get this piece. And where does the instructions say to put that? No, not right there. Look, it's right there.
Right here?
No.
Right here?
No.
Just look at the floor.
Let's see, this one might be a little bit harder because it's smaller. So let me snap this one down. There we go. And there you go.
Yep, you're doing it right.
Yay! So far he's doing pretty good. Let's see. So he's 4, right?
Yes.
And this is a 4+ set, so he's at the right age of set. That's pretty good. We need to really be training him for the next generation of LNC Bros so that he can, you know, make videos and build like that.
There's not ears.
It's right here. This is it.
Sorry my voice sounds a little bit weird, by the way. I'm actually sick today, so we're taking a day off of school, and our mom got us some sets, so it's really awesome.
It's starting to look like a, oh, there's its eye.
No, don't put those yet. There's his apple. Look at his apple.
Where does it go? Where does it go?
Oh wow, that's a nice apple.
Where does it go?
Look at this, guys. It comes with an apple in this set, so apparently it's not all green pieces, because I see some white and gray. So I guess it's not really a green box. It's just that they did mostly green things in here. which is actually pretty cool. I kind of like these sets because they just look cool. I don't know. There's just something about them that feel classic. Okay guys, so we just finished the dog right here. So what do you think of the dog, Matthias? You want to do a little bit of a review on the dog?
No.
No? You don't want to tell people what you think about the dog?
Okay, so the tree's finished, I think, but
No, the tree's not finished.
the tree's not finished, but look at them.
Yeah. And just to take a look at the details of the dog, and now I feel more than ever that we're copying Ricochet because we have Clark.
No, this isn't Clark.
I know.
Clark.
That was way too loud of a laugh, but I thought that was funny.
This is Clark.
Yeah, but taking a look at the dog here, we have some little eyes, and these are prints. Of course, I don't think they actually do those in stickers. We have a nose build and some ears. And I think it looks like a pretty good dog if your dog gets sick and turns green.
This piece looks like gold.
It looks like glass.
Glass?
Yeah, like the glass of that window over there.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the tree really quickly. The tree has an apple on it.
Put this one down right here.
It's a nice build, I think. You could definitely use this for like a little setup or something, like a city, even like if you did like a miniature city, because these are more miniature builds. I don't think we have a minifigure right now, but here it is compared to the dog build. So we'll stack these right here.
Beside it. This one's a super easy build. He can really build this build.
Oh wow.
Just put that one right there.
Then the Legos will be broken.
Okay.
Guys, he just said Legos. He's kicked from the Lego community. No.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Just put all of those right there.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And then there's another one.
And now he's building the helicopter blades. And it looks like you even get some extra pieces. I don't think these are part of the set, are they?
No.
And yeah, so you get 4 extra pieces in this. So if you're like missing one of the dog's eyes, if it pops off or something. Or if you're missing a detail piece, that's really nice to get extra pieces in
you
this
built
set.
a tree and you built a helicopter. So I guess the helicopter's gonna be like this. The dog's gonna be playing at the tree, it gets stuck in the tree. Then the helicopter's gonna be like, hey,
Okay.
I saved you.
Okay, so you want to show them what you got? Show them. Okay, so what's that?
A tree.
What's your favorite part about it? That it's a tree.
It's probably the apple. He says the apple.
Well, that's a cool apple. I don't think we have any apples yet.
No, we don't.
Now we
do.
have
none apples.
And then we've only ever got like 1 or 2 other classics. We've got a dog, and I already showed you that. And then the last thing that I never got to show you is the helicopter build. And actually, it's a pretty decent helicopter build.
Oh,
It has a window and everything.
It's a gross dog.
Because it's green.
Yeah.
Okay, and there's the extra pieces that he got.
And yeah, so you want to tell everybody thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. For my Legos.